Now let us go for the individual prediction for the sign, seventh sign of the zodiac, that is Libra or Tula in Sanskrit. This is a movable airy sign. It's represented by the symbol scales. The nakshatras under this sign are 2 quarters of Chitra, 4 quarters of Swati, and 3 quarters of Vishaka. The planet Venus rules this sign. These people are very enigmatic in character. So these folks, for these folks, Jupiter is actually transiting into 10th house, which is not a very good sign. But as I told you, we need to be really careful with this Jupiter transit. We cannot underestimate any transit of Jupiter which is in exaltation. Now look at the chart. The moon is in Libra, the natal moon. The natal moon is a horoscope. In your horoscope, the moon placement at the time of your birth. And Jupiter is a transit Jupiter which is currently in Cancer, which is in the 10th house. Normally Jupiter in 10th house, what it does is it will create some hurdles in your career. It will create some problems with your authority and power and fame, and then after that it will slowly expand your career. That is the nature of Jupiter. First it will create the hurdle and then it will start expanding your horizon. So even though at the start of the year you might have some problems with your career, you might have an expansion in the later part of the transit. But one problem with Libra is they're also undergoing the 7.5 years Saturn period. So you have to be cautious in all aspects of these malefic transits. So you have to follow certain principle guidelines to attract the Jupiter energy, and at the same time you should not be a spendthrift. You should be careful with your colleagues, you should be careful with your employees, you should be very ethical. Basically you should be lying low for some time until you get out of this Saturn transit, and also you get out of this 10th house Jupiter. Probably after this year, from 2015 end, you might have a light at the end of the tunnel. So for this Libra or Tula Rashi, this transit is not that good, neither bad, neither good. It is average. Thank you.